look.
What's up, kids? So, we have some updates from this whole event. They're not good. Seen on Facebook, they're not good. But we'll get into that in a second. So, you guys knew, most of you knew, since you follow me on a lot of social media. We had the Hillclimb last weekend. We had the Dragon Hillclimb last weekend. This was the first Hillclimb I was going to be in about 3 years. So I was pretty stoked. I've run the Dragon plenty of times. We've placed there. It's going to be a good weekend with the boys. We're all just going to hang out, test the new car, or the setup of test the new setup on the car, hang out, have fun, drink some beer, and just get to do race car stuff. Well, that happened, but we had other things happen too. So on my last run of Sunday, I decided I was going to make one more run on Sunday after lunch, and it's going to be good. We got probably to the third turn, or no, I broke down 6, so we were at 5th turn. Between 5 and 6, everything went to shit. Had a lot of vibration in the car. Well, we had a big snap, a lot of vibration, and then it turned into that. The fender is sitting in there, but that happened, which was really unfortunate. So we had this loud pop, bang, crack, break, whatever you want to call it, lots of vibration, and then I got the car under control and kind of off to the side there, and had a little rough ride off-road, but we got the car stopped. The thing was, it's now just like all broken. So unless I became like a stance boy, my front wheel's not supposed to look like that. So today, what we're gonna work on is, I'll talk more about the weekend and this crash and all that. I didn't film anything because for the most part, these event videos do not do well. I don't know why they don't go well. I don't know why you guys don't like them that much, but they never get views, and it's a lot of work to film during a race weekend, so we just didn't do it this weekend. It was a lot of fun, actually. I had a lot of free time, which is nice. But, I mean, we can start filming race weekends again. I just need a general consensus on what do you guys want. So, grab some tools, and we'll start pulling this thing apart, because that's where we're at right now. I forgot how easy it was to rip suspension off cars. So that's probably a 30-minute adventure. But we have everything off. We've got our broken coilover. We've got our driver's side front. We have our driver's side rear. We have passenger side rear. So all those guys are off, which is good. We're good. So we're getting there. Some concern we have currently. This paint is busted out, so that means there was impact there. So you gotta kind of get under here and assess some more damage. You've got damage on the back from where the tire slammed into the pinch weld, which is fine. It's not a big deal. Where's the inside here? I'll get on there and look. But thankfully, Harrison crawled under there. I'm going to get under there too. He says the underside is not torn up, not bad. So that's good. That means hopefully we got out of this really lucky, because honestly, like, could have crashed the car. Like, well, obviously, like, it is crashed, but I mean, it could have been way worse. So that the car could have been a total write-off, which would suck if it was. So that's good that it's not, at least as of right now. We are working with Fortune on getting this fixed and resolved and figured out. So we're sending my coilovers back. They're gonna send us a new set to test and play with, which I'm really excited for. That'll be a new kind of FC goodie that for you guys, that is an option now since this happened to me. So that'll be really cool. And yeah, we're just we're getting there. So as far as damage goes, we have the driver's side control arm, or we have passenger side control arm, driver's side control arm, both tie rods both ball joints. The subframe is okay. Everything else looks okay. The shock tower is damaged. The fender is damaged, which we'll get a new set of fenders, so that's not a big deal. So we're getting there. We're figuring it out, but let's crawl up under here and just take a peek. I think our splitter took predominantly all the force, which is good. All right, kids. It's a few days later. We got all of our coilovers off. Come here if I showed you all that, but no suspension holding those on. So our coilovers are in this happy little box. That's getting shipped back to Fortune for their assessment. And Handsome assisted me with getting our tie rods off. This one's good. That one's not good. So we're gonna just replace both of them, get that out of the way. We'll replace both ball joints. We'll get those guys, and then we'll get our new coilovers in and we can slap her back together. So that's probably it for this video. We're gonna work on the Cummins. We have another Cummins. It's like similar to Ty's over here. This one's just shittier. So Ty's like black hood, black fenders, unpainted stuff. This one is just poorly painted black with stacks. Really gross. So there's that. And yeah, so that's about it for this video. Drop a comment, let me know your guys' thoughts on the Hillclimb. I'll probably put the Hillclimb run in this video, or we'll do a standalone one too, but let me know your thoughts on the Hillclimb run. Let me know your thoughts on this, what the plan is. So things we're doing, we're going wide body. We're getting a spicy new suspension setup courtesy of Fortune, and we'll just have some other goodies for it. So drop a comment on what do you think the new wheels are. We're going wide body, so drop a comment on which wide body you think we're gonna do. Then we're getting a new spicy suspension setup from Fortune. So I don't know what version this will be, but the car is gonna get a lot better from this little accident. So super stoked about that. We will catch y'all later. So thanks for watching. Yeah, just put a rip in the chat for this Johnny, and we'll fix it and get it back to being better later. So thanks for watching. Bye y'all.